Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another update. Today we're going to talk Valiant and the great work when put in a dance hall. You see me? Because Valiant come up in the music business and Valiant are doing thing excellent. You see me? And the next artist is what we want to talk about today is
last night
450. You see me?
Turn over.
The girl them request 450, the girl them say 450 at the man, at the next man for them like Dexter Daps. Long story short, we are going to pre 450 stage show and see how him do. You see me people? After that we pre Valiant, see him way.
Still big up damage for them. One syndicate of them for 4 nights is in the real. Yo, bro, I'm sitting down there with the one. Come on, close. Okay, my people are lost. Open up. Don't see love so much. I walked up as I am good.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, that was 450 performance. Tell me if you don't like him performance. You see me? Leave a comment in the comment section. Now we're going to review Valiant recent performance on stage. How the fans them go crazy for him. Big up yourself, Valiant. Keep putting in the work. You see me?
People know what I'm People are not somebody. Valiant. Somebody say guns. Somebody say back of the class. Somebody say Valiant. Somebody say diplomat. What's in the line? Preach alive.
Viewers and subscribers, I want to tell me if I'm wrong, you know. You see me? Some of the time, some of them man with their own artists, brother, then just crowd up the whole stage. You see me? I say, me now say the artist not have him entourage and him friend them round him, you see me? But certain excitement on the stage with certain man, brother, and I make no sense at all, you see me? If a girl want to come up and party with the artist, brother, give a female a chance to come up, brother. Look on the stage. Be a bumbuckle like man up on the stage, people. I mean, I disrespect nobody, hear me? That's my opinion. You see me? I say, Valiant a perform for him fans him, brother. Make the artist do him thing, brother. You see me? Clearance to the artist thing, brother. You see me? Yeah, man, for real. Give him some space, man. Come and do him work, you know. For like I tell people, you know, tell me in the comment section, you see me? Big up to all of my viewers and my subscribers, same way. I'm going to give a thanks to watch, same way, you see me? I jump back into Valiant performance on stage, same way, you see me?
Hi ladies, you're looking at the finals on
We have reached the end of this upload. I appreciate everyone. If you reached this far in the video, thank you for watching. To all my viewers and my subscribers, God bless everyone.